One today. Today, digging up a septic tank here in beautiful California. All farmland. So they lost their marking on the septic tank, so I'm trying to find the line. So I found the water line going this way here. Trying to find the cap so we can get it serviced. Whew. It's gonna be a hot one today. Whoa! I almost fell. Let's see if I can get this done before it gets super hot. Oh man, here, come in with me. I can hear it. I'm gonna have to get some big equipment down here. I can get all this extra sand out of the way, find the lines, and make sure they're not broken. Whew. Beautiful hot day. Be careful out there, guys. Drink plenty of water. Listen to your body. Listen to your heart rate. Take breaks if you have to. This is the dirty part of the jobs. Digging deep. Well, drinking a margarita. Ooh. Beautiful view.